What are we gonna do with the sausage today, Jace?
Okay, so this is just a really simple, kind of apt snack sort of food when you're watching the game or whatever. Basically, just had some buddies coming over and we were trying to figure out something quick, and then we had some, we got kielbasa sausage, and then we got some garlic sausage here. And we're gonna actually take the skin off, slice them up, and then we're gonna soak it in beer for about an hour. And then we're gonna smoke it after that. So basically, you just gotta take the skin off first.
There you go.
So then all we're gonna do is we're just gonna, slice it into decent sized slices. Kind of just, think of appetizer type size pieces.
How long are we gonna soak them for, Jace?
We're gonna soak them in the beer for about an hour.
Right. How much do you reckon gets in? Does it just moisten it up?
Yeah, we're just gonna, after we slice them, we're gonna give them a little bit of a poke on the pieces. Just a little bit. So we're using a strong beer. I've had best luck using IPAs because different flavor profiles, but they're stronger, they're fruitier, can be hoppier, but you use whatever beer you want.
I'm gonna dump some in there.
We're just gonna...
It's like a kind of a meaty drink. You get a picture of a picture of beer.
Just throw the rest of this in here.
Is that the last of the beer, was it?
Then we're just gonna let it sit like that for about an hour, and then we'll throw them on the smoker at about 250 or so, just to heat them up, and we'll throw some seasoning on it, and they're gonna come out really good. Just a quick little snack that you can make when you got people coming over. Okay, so we've had our garlic sausage and kielbasa soaking for a little bit, about an hour in the beer in the fridge. So now we're just gonna drain the beer out, and then, oh, wrong one, put it in there. And then we're gonna season the sausage up. A drink?
No, it'll spoil my appetite.
Okay, so then we're just gonna dump some of the sausage in here, a little bit at a time. And we're gonna season it with our Sweet Martha. It's kind of a flavoring rub, so you can use it on ribs and stuff to add flavor as like a layer. So we're just gonna sprinkle some in here with the sausage, and then we're gonna give it a toss. A little bit more. Give it a toss. Again, this is gonna be really good. We're gonna smoke it maybe about 250-ish for probably about 30-40 minutes just to get some smoke flavor on it. And yeah, it's gonna make the perfect snack before the game.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll let those smoke for about 20-30 minutes, see how they're doing, flip them over, and it should be good.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So flip them over, they say. Just going to flip them around a bit. The front ones are getting a bit more attention. Yeah, right. Okay, smoke away. Probably need another about 20 minutes, I reckon. Okay, let's get these off. So there you have it. Kielbasa and garlic smoked sausage. So we'll put a little blue cheese. And we're going to put some of this BBQ Pit Boys whiskey sauce on the side.
Oh, those look really good.
A little even, look at that. Even the yellow jackets can't wait to get it. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Super quick recipe, super easy. When the guys call you last minute, they're coming over.
Makes you look famous.
Yeah, they come out really good.
So the next time you're looking for a smoked sausage recipe for your pit, check out
BBQPitBoys.com.